Hello everyone, welcome back to Draw Info channel. This video series is about Illustrator tutorial for beginner. So let's get started. In this video tutorial, we going to see blend tool use in Illustrator. So blend tool is one of the powerful tool in Illustrator. You can create lot of stunning graphic with the use of blend tool in Illustrator. To activate blend tool in Illustrator, shortcut key is W. If you press the W, blend tool is get activated in Illustrator. You see this blend tool is activated over here, or you can go and simply select the blend tool to work on the blend tool. To use blend tool, we need at least two object or two shape in Illustrator. So we going to create two lines over here, and then we are going to apply or we are going to use blend tool on top of it. So I have created one stroke. The stroke is not visible here because the stroke width is selected none. So I'm going to select yellow color over here, and I'm going to increase the stroke width is around 12 pixel. So you see this strokes is visible now over here. I am copying this same stroke, and the help of Control Alt, I'm pasting that into another edge of this artboard. So now I have these two objects over here, and now I need to select these two objects, and then I need to apply this blend tool over it. So you see, as well I am applying this blend tool over here, it's creating multiple copies in between these two objects. So I can control this copy by double clicking on this blend tool. I get some more options. It's called spacing. So here I can give the specific steps. So if I want to give here 10 steps, and I can see preview over here, so it will create 10 object in between this. So as I hit OK, it remain as it is. So you see, I have applied blend tool in two lines, and it's created multiple copies in between this object. Once you apply blend tool on this object, it create multiple copies, but you can select this and last copy only. So to select that, you need to double click, and once you double click, you will go inside the blend tool and you can select these two, but you can't select in between other copies. So select, or if you want to create this multiple copies of this, what you need to do, you need to go here and you need to apply expand. So if you, as well as you apply the expand, it will ask you three options like object, fill and stroke. So if you say OK, so you will get all the copies as a separate, and then you need to ungroup it and you can move this in between other copies. So if you want multiple copy of this, you need to expand blend object first. Still, now we have looked into basic use of blend tool. Now we are going to see the advanced use of blend tool. So I'm going to delete this object which we created previously. Now we are going to create some ellipse over here, and then we are going to apply blend tool effect to it. So I copied the same circle over here. So you see I have two circle over here. Now I'm going to apply blend tool over it. So now I just want to draw this circle on the specific path or some other shapes path. So what I need to do, I need to create whatever path I want. Help of pen tool, I'm going to draw some path over here, and just I need to select this both, and I need to go object, blend tool, and here is option replace with spine. So as well as I say replace with spine, it will create that object top of it, that particular path. So you see that's all these circles now align into this specific path. So in between this circle you can control the amount of this to use of specific steps. Like if you want to show the 5 object only, so you can show that. If you want to increase this 20, you can show it that into 20. So this is very powerful tool. You can create a lot of creation or lot of stunning graphic through use of this blend tool. Now I'm going to show you how you can use this blend tool in specific path. So I'm just going to create star over here, and I'm going to take fill color of this star and just going to copy the same star over here. Now I'm going to apply blend effect to this star. So I just given the, and then I just want to update this specific step, so I'm going to update this as a 10. So it's creating 10 copy in between these two star shape. Now I just want to align the stars on top of it one circle in path of one circle. So I'm going to create one circle over here, and I just making a stroke to that circle so you can see very clearly over here. So I just want to put this or replace the star with this particular path, circle path. So what I need to do, I need to select this both steps, and I need to go inside this, and inside blend there is an option called replace spine. As well as I select that, it will replace this star with this particular circle shape. So you see very quickly we align this star with this circle, and very easiest method. So you can now control in between the how many stars you want and spacing in between, what double clicking on this specific steps. So if I increase steps over here, and I can see the preview over here. I want to reduce, I can reduce it and see the preview over here. So this is the basic use of blend tool I have shown to in this tutorial. It's a really very powerful tool, and you can create lot of stunning graphic of using this blend tool. We are going to see some advanced level use of this blend tool in next tutorial. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about all new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.